Well, hello there. I bet you didn't think I would be able to get my hair to look like this, but here I am, bitch. Clowny mohawk and all. It's kind of falling. Let's ignore that. You know, she's been through a lot. But hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Who's that girl? I'm that girl, and today, you know by the title of the video, but I'm gonna tell you anyway, we're doing a Rico Nasty hair and makeup tutorial inspired look, if you will. At first I was like, I'm gonna recreate this exactly, and then I felt like my makeup didn't look exactly like hers. So take it with what you will. I know I look a mess. I don't look cute at all. My wig's not on. I'm just gonna put this bandana on and we're gonna pretend that I look decent. Okay, I look semi-decent now. Hello. If you want to know where my choker is from, it's from Nasty Gem on Instagram. I'm gonna try and do a recreation. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to recreate it completely, but I think I can. So we're gonna go and do that. I don't know if y'all can see. Actually, you can kind of see a little bit. You see this? It's like slight discoloration right there. I nearly killed myself a few days ago. I was cleaning my room at night, as I am doing right now, a video at night. And I had my headphones in, and my clothes are on the floor, and I bend down to pick up my clothes. And what freaking happens? My tripod comes crashing down on me. I'm actually looking at that bitch right now. Comes crashing down on me and hits me right on my cheekbone. Like you can see here, it's still a little bump and it still hurts. It's going down, thank God. But oh my God, when I tell you the pain, I clutched my cheek like there was no clutching. And I was just like, oh my fucking God. What the fuck? Horrendous pain. I thought like it had broke skin, but it didn't. Literally the first thing I thought was, wow, if it broke skin, I was thinking, wow, I'll have to wear a band-aid now, but that'll look cool in Instagram pics, so it'll be okay. Like really, Elisa, like what the fuck? What is time now that you get hurt and you think it'll look cute in Instagram? So I'm gonna take a small like pencil-y brush and I'm gonna dip in right now into this color from the ABH Nervina palette. This is the volume 2 and it's this color B2, and I don't even know how to describe it. It's definitely blue but kind of like has purple in there, and I'm just gonna use that color to lightly map out where I want my new cut crease. Doing this, I'm going right for the socket. This is my bone, this is my bone, this is the fleshy part, going right in the fleshy part, and then when I get to the eyebrow. Okay, I'm gonna do one eye off camera and then come back, and so that I can actually tell you what the hell you're supposed to do to create this look. Okay guys, I'm back. I did this eye completely. I don't know, like I like it, but I also feel like because she kind of has a filter on her photo that you can't really see the true colors. Like I said, I thought it was, some things were blue, but it kind of looked green. I thought some things were green, but they kind of look blue. So I'm not even sure. Or maybe it's just the way the makeup was touching the light. But this is kind of what I came up with. I don't think it looks bad, but I think it looks bad at the same time. Do you understand? I will do that and then blend out. Gonna blend a bit. And then go back and define that line. Okay, now I'm gonna go into the color, let me see, I don't even remember which color I went in with. I know I put a little bit of black, but I didn't use a lot. So let's just put a little bit of black just so everything can match. Right, you see how this is darker than that? So now I'm gonna go back in, after I like build it up my darker colors, I'm gonna go back into the color B5, which is the really pretty light blue, and just put that over everything. It has like kind of like a white cast on this side because I went in with white for whatever reason. I felt like doing that, and I just like dusted it on the top. Honestly don't know why I did that, but I did it to this side, so I gotta do it to the other side. I can't tell if I'm hearing thunder or fireworks. Which, like, why fireworks? It's not anything special going on. Are we fireworking the daylight savings? It starts tonight as we like go to sleep. Hallelujah. It'll be darker in the morning time, but on the bright side it'll be lighter towards the evening. So you know, you take what you can get. I'd rather that. I have the glitter glue, and now I'm going to look at myself straight on in the mirror and see where you'll even be able to see that line. So you see how like I have like this extra crease part? I'm gonna have to draw the line above there, because if I draw it down here and then I do this, you can't even see it. I'm staying in the same blue palette, volume 2, going in with the color A2 and A3, and A3 is just like the shimmery version of A2. Alright, my camera died, so here we are. I just used my concealer to clean up the bottom there, and now I'm gonna go in where I feel like is maybe where I kind of messed up a little tiny bit, but like I said, I did it on this eye, so I gotta do it on the other eye. But if you don't want to mess up like me, I originally put down an orange shadow base, and then I put like this glittery orange on top. I think I should have just done the glittery orange without the shadow base, but mistakes have been made, so I must continue onward to volume 3 of the Norvina palette, the orange one. And I'm going into the color A2, which is a beautiful neon orange. And I'm stamping that at the edge and right in the middle. Where did that accent come from? I don't know. Still doing the accent. I had gone into the color D4 and D5, but D5 is better because, let me show you if you can see. D5 is like darker, but then D4 is darker orange glitter, and then D5 is like a goldy lighter orange glitter, which I feel like D5 was like perfect, but like I said, once done here, gotta be done there. So I'm gonna dip into D4 first, the darker orange, and then into D5. Pat that on top of this orange glitter. And the lighter D5, I'm gonna leave that more in the middle. And then I'm gonna go into the color B1, which is a nice frosty blue. Now I'm gonna do my face makeup, which is hopefully gonna make what I did look good. So, if you're tired of the makeup and you want to see the hair, I'm gonna put a timestamp, so you can just go straight to that right now. If you're like, okay, I saw the eye look, now I want to do like your hair, so I'll put a timestamp because I'm so nice, and you know, you're welcome. It's like not fear, but like something that I think about. That I'm like, oh my god, what if I do my makeup and there's a part on my face that is unblended and it's so painfully obvious, and obviously no one's gonna say anything. Speaking of no one saying anything when there's clearly something wrong with your face, I was at work yesterday and I was eating quinoa with like veggies, and well, I felt something later in my tooth, like here. And so I'm like trying to take it out, cannot take it out. I'm like doing my work, blah, 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 blah. Can't take this shit out, right? Can't grab it. And finally, I'm like on my last like little break. And I like dig in and it comes out. It was like stuck under my gum, but like a little piece I could feel it. So I like dig in and it like came out. And it was just a long ass like piece of quinoa that was stuck in my gum and it was painful, so that's why I kept like not pulling on it. And I'm just thinking like I could feel it when I did that. I'm like, did anybody see that there was something in my tooth, like something black poking out of my gum, and no one said anything? Like, I mean, they didn't have to say anything because I already knew it was there and I was actively trying to take it out. But it's like, really, you couldn't say like, hey, there's something in your teeth? Like, I don't understand that. Like, when there's someone and their fly is undone, I always tell them, like, I might not say it like in front of everybody and make them feel weird, but I'd be like, oh hey, by the way, your fly is down, or like, oh, your pants, like, look down, and they'll fix it. Like, I don't understand why it's such a weird thing to tell people there's something wrong, especially when it's something they could fix. Like, don't be like, bitch, you got acne. Like, okay, don't be that, that's rude. But you could say, oh, there's something in your teeth, like, get rid of it. Or you have an eyelash on your face, something, I don't know, right? You know, just say it. Like, why is it a thing? Why do we feel like we can't say it? I don't know, and I actively encourage you to say shit. Okay, now that I ranted, did my face, while I did that, what she has on the bottom of her eye just looks like she has that like bluish color here. The black liner is here. So let's try and do that, and then we'll put on the eyelashes. Okay, now that I added the lashes and the little gem she had and the highlighter, I think I look cute. I think I nailed it. Oh, okay. Gonna do the lips. She has like an orangey glossy lip, so I'm gonna use, oh, it's kind of old, this color Mink Brown from Wet n Wild. I know it's old because it's super sticky and it's not blending. Gotta get a new one of that. NYX Butter Gloss, I don't know what color. Oh, and Glazy Days. And this is like an orangey nude lip gloss. I figured this would be the best bet. I'm going to back comb through. See, because that kind of made it stay a bit. And then I've got the ORS Olive Oil Fix It Super Hold Spray. It's actually for wigs. And I'm going to spray the root. And then, this is why I would not suggest doing this on your real hair. Yes, gonna use the flat iron too. Ha! I fucking did it. This is what I fucking needed last time. Needed this hairspray. Actually, I wouldn't do this process though on my real hair. Hairspray and then fucking flat iron. That would fry my shit. Cindy Lou Who, bitch. Cindy Lou Who, bitch.